Hi, RJ here, back with another review. This review is on a product called the Newbie Affiliate Playbook. Now, as you see, I'm in the members area of the Newbie Affiliate Playbook, and if you're just just starting online trying to make money, if you've already been doing some affiliate marketing for a little while, but you haven't been able to really make grounds on how to get all the pieces put together on how to start making money online, then this course is really going to help you out. It's a very thorough course that's going to pretty much get money in your pocket through affiliate marketing. Now, if this sounds of interest to you, then go ahead and click on the link in the description of this YouTube video, and what it's going to do is take you over to my bonus page for the Newbie Affiliate Playbook. Now, you won't be able to buy this product until April the 4th at 11 a.m. EST. Now, once that time rolls around, if you decide to pick up the Newbie Affiliate Playbook through my link, before this countdown timer runs out, I've got a high power bonus bundle that I put together for you. Now, all you have to do, once you decide you want to go ahead and pick up the Newbie Affiliate Playbook, is click on any of these gold buttons here, which is going to take you over to the sales page for the Newbie Affiliate Playbook. Still the playbook that took me from the hospital bed to a multiple six-figure leaderboard. Copy the step-by-step unique system that landed this newbie marketer on six-figure leaderboards, is what the headline claims. Now, this step-by-step video training takes you by the hand and shows you exactly how affiliate promotions work and how you can boost your commissions to 5 figures. The best part about the Newbie Affiliate Playbook is that you don't need a big list, you don't need a product, or any prior experience to make money, and he's going to show you in this course the step-by-steps on how to hit those lucrative promotion leaderboards. Now, I'm not going to go through the whole sales page with you, but once you decide to go ahead and go over to my bonus page, which again is in the link of the description of this video, and you come over to the sales page, you're going to find out everything you need to know about the Newbie Affiliate Playbook before making an educated decision on whether or not you want to purchase this or not. Now, if you do decide to purchase, all you have to do is click on any of these gold buttons on the sales page, which is going to take you to the checkout page of Warrior Plus that looks like this. You simply click on the green button here and you'll have full access to the Newbie Affiliate Playbook. And if you click on the blue button, you're going to get a hold of all of the free high-power bonus bundle that I put together for you for picking this product picking it up through the link in the description of this YouTube video. Now, you might be asking what those bonuses are. Well, bonus number 1 is I'm going to give you access to my personal bonus library. In this library, you're going to get a bunch of bonuses that are not PLR. These are high-power bonuses that you're going to be able to plug into your campaign, because inside of the playbook, it actually shows you that during the case study, you're going to figure out how giving people bonuses like the ones I'm giving you in this very product that you hopefully purchased through me is going to give you an unfair advantage against your competition. So in this, I'm going to hand you a bunch of bonuses that you're able to plug into your affiliate campaigns to help you generate more money. Bonus number 2 is I'm going to give you access to a free launch jacker course, which is basically, in short, a very popular way on how affiliate marketers are earning money. Now, this method is being used by basically finding products that are upcoming that haven't launched yet. It's going to show you how to get eyeballs on your campaigns and how you can actually start generating some serious money online. This is a good course, this Launch Jacker course, and it's actually put out by a top-notch affiliate marketer. Not myself, but I followed these exact steps, and this is actually what earned me my first commissions as an affiliate marketer. Bonus number 3, you're going to find out how to brand yourself, because the more you brand yourself, the more people are familiar with your name, and the more that people are able to like, trust, and believe in what you're talking about when it comes to these products and stuff, the more likely you're actually going to earn a commission. So that's what you're going to learn in bonus number 3. In bonus number 4, what I've got is how to blast quality traffic to your pages, because in this playbook, it doesn't really give you solid methods on how you can get traffic and eyeballs to your bonus page campaigns. But in this course, you're covered because you're going to learn all of that. Now, bonus number 5 is going to be all the vendor bonuses, because there's going to be a lot of affiliates out here offering only these vendor bonuses. But if you purchase it through the link in the description of this YouTube video, you're not only going to get all the bonuses that I just got done telling you about, but you also won't miss out on the vendor bonuses. Now, what the vendor's giving out for you early action takers, if you pick this up and pick it up quick, are going to be bonus number 1, access to a bonus list building training here. That's bonus number 1. Bonus number 2 is access to video ranking training. Bonus number 3 is access to the Marketers Collective. And bonus number, I guess that's it. So those 3 bonuses are the ones that the vendor's actually going to pitch out for you if you are an early action taker and if you pick this product up during the launch period. Now that we've got into all that, let's go over to the members area again of the Newbie Affiliate Playbook. It's really nice because it's got all of these different modules in here. The intro module, guaranteed 6-figure launches, review access, know your audience, creating targeted list, positioning, maximizing opens and clicks, videos, bonuses, webinars, and tools. It pretty much covers all aspects in which you need to know. All you have to do is click on this access module here, click on this button here, and it's actually going to break down all the training here on the left-hand side in this nice members area. Now, in each module, it's kind of nice too because it gives you a notes area here so that you can follow along and take these notes, which makes it very easy for you to implement what you're learning inside the Newbie Affiliate Playbook. Now, they've also got a support area if you have any questions. And it's really cool because it's going to show you how you can start ranking and actually get on a leaderboard, which is basically the top-notch affiliates are actually getting on these leaderboards by pushing heavy-duty commissions. You can also gain cash prizes from the vendors for promoting their products. It says right here, this one, for example, is $1,500, but I actually see prizes that are actually a whole lot more than this. So it's actually an incentive for you to drive traffic, what you're going to learn how to do inside the Newbie Affiliate Playbook and actually start getting on these leaderboards and become a top-notch affiliate along with collecting all these bonuses and prizes. Now you might be wondering, how much is it going to cost in order to invest in this? It's actually kibbles and bits. It's only $12.95 for the front end. It's going to give you access to the powerful Newbie Affiliate Playbook software and the training modules, which I just showed you inside the members area. Now, there are some upsells in this product as well, so let's go over these upsells as well. So upsell number 1 is going to be 4 done-for-you campaigns, which means they're going to go ahead and give you 4 of their 6-figure offers available, so affiliate offers that they've already made money on. They're going to give you guaranteed approval to promote these products. And if you're just getting started off, if you're a greenest grass newbie, it's kind of hard to get approved to promote some of these affiliate offers through Warrior Plus and JB Zoo and whatnot. And by you purchasing this upgrade, they're going to give you automatic approval so you don't have to worry about getting shut down when you go and request to promote these particular offers. You're also going to get the emails that they use for these promotions, and they're going to give you done for you bonuses that have already been proven to convert for these guys. So that's another bonus that you're going to get with by picking up this first upsell. Done for you affiliate campaigns will contain everything you need to execute a successful affiliate promotion, even if you have no sales history or even a website. Pretty powerful upgrade there. Bonus number, or not bonus number 2, but upsell number 2 is going to be 5-figure campaign framework for $47. Take the exact email and webinar framework that Steve developed, taking him from newcomer to leader status. If you struggle with copywriting emails, then this framework makes it easy to capture the attention of audience and gets them to buy again and again. The webinar framework has been customized, designed in partnership with a 7-figure marketer to drive massive traffic, even for people with new to webinar marketing. So basically, he's going to give you what's already been proven for $47. For $97, you're going to get resell rights, which means that if you drive traffic to this particular product, and you get 100% of the product profit. So therefore, you pick this up for $97. Anybody come in and buys the front end and any of the upsells, you actually get 100% of those commissions. So you don't have to create a sales page. You don't have to create any copyright. You don't have to create the graphics or anything like that. You simply pick this up for the one-time cost of $97, drive traffic to the product, and you can sell it as your own. Pretty nice upsell there. And then upsell number 4 is sign up for 1-to-1 live coaching sessions with Steve covering all levels, no matter what stage you're in your business. So this is kind of like a one-on-one coaching. It says that they usually sell this thing for $497. You have a chance to pick it up for only $147. So pretty good value there as well. You don't have to pick up any of these upsells in order for the product to work. You're going to get the software and the training up front. But if you want some done for you, if you want to get fast track to the money, then I would highly consider that you consider some of these high-powered upsells that are in this product. Well, I think that about covers it for the Newbie affiliate marketing playbook here. So I hope that you pick it up. And if you pick it up, I really appreciate it if you pick it up through the link in the description for this video, because I really spent some time to get these bonuses, to get a hold of these bonuses so that I can pass them on to you so that you can get the most out of this product. So with that said, good luck to your success, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.